Hi, this is Roy Webb, Superintendent of the Canton School District, and this is the podcast for November of 2014 of our 14 and 15 school year. And this is an exciting time. We have our football team in the state playoffs in the second round. We have cross-country runners running for state this weekend. We have IMEA music contest going on where we'll have musicians from the band and chorus participating at the state level. So it's a great time to be a Little Giant, and I hope you and your children are enjoying this time of year. The leaves are changing; they're starting to fall to the ground, so it's a good time to review those winter closing procedures. Hopefully we don't have any this year. I know last year we had quite a few. I will tell you, when there's inclement weather, myself and my transportation director will be on the road in the morning, and we'll be checking roads, checking if it's going to be safe to get to school. And if we deem that it's safe for our school buses to be on the road, we're going to have school. But if we see that it's going to be unsafe for our children and our buses, we will close the school. And you can check that on our website. You will get an emergency call from our SkyAlert system. And you can also check local radio and TV stations. We announce those as well. So if it's a rough morning with snow or wind or cold, you can always check those sources. If we do have school and you feel it's unsafe, as a parent, you always have the right to keep your child home. So keep that in mind if you feel it's unsafe. What we look for are buses, but you may have a special situation with your child that would deem it for you to keep them home. So keep that in mind. I also would like to talk a little about our budgets. As many of you know, we've had deficit budgets for the last 3 or 4 years, and we've hoped to weather a storm, a financial storm in the state of Illinois, where we've taken 11% cuts in our general state aid and 20% cuts in other areas. And those are tough for any school district to take. And we haven't reduced any programs or opportunities for children. But in the future, we're going to have to look at some things. So right now, we have teams working on different courses of action, and my guidance to them is we got to have cuts, but let's do this with the least impact to children and children's programs as possible, and we're going to keep that in mind. We're looking at a lot of different things. There will be impacts. We're probably going to see larger class size. We're probably going to see a few programs that are cut, and though that's too bad. But I will tell you, this is not a spending issue. Our spending has been pretty flat for the last 5 years, and our tax rate has been flat for the last 25 years. And we're not asking for more money. We're asking for some patience as we work through these procedures. A lot of districts around us have made cuts, and unfortunately we're going to have to make some in the Canton Union School District. But we're looking at a lot of possibilities. If you would like to be part of the process, I would recommend that you come to our December board meeting. We have teams of teachers and administrators that have been putting together their plans over the last month, and we're going to continue to work on that. And the plan is to present this to the board on at our December board meeting, which is December 15th at 7 o'clock in the Canton Union School District district office boardroom. And we're going to present to the board at that time, and then they're going to develop their plan. They'll take our plan, they may revise it, they may change it, they may add some things, or they may take some things off our list of cuts. But that would be your chance to hear, and then your input would come with your discussions with the Canton School Board and the board members. So again, those are not the best things or the easiest things to talk about or discuss. But in today's fiscal environment, they're going to be an important issue. So if you'd like to be part of that, please contact board members and talk to them about that. Again, it's fall, and it's a great time to be a Little Giant. So on all this weekend's activities, go Little Giants, and we'll hope for the best. And a lot of hard work by our young athletes and musicians and students this time of year, and we really appreciate that hard work and the support of our parents and the support of our community. It's a great place to live, and it's a great place to be superintendent. Thanks a lot, and goodbye.